Battery low and no charger nearby. Stay powered anytime with the Baseus 65W power bank. 20,000 milliamp hours. Always need extra cables? 2-in-1 power bank. One is enough. Meet the Baseus free 2-pull power bank with retractable USB-C cable. A smart and convenient charging solution for everyday use. Effortlessly pull the built-in cable to charge instantly with 65W fast charging, powerful enough for laptops and other high-demand devices. Supports simultaneous charging of 2 devices, keeping you powered up without waiting. With a 20,000 milliamp hours large capacity, it delivers all-day backup power for work, travel, and daily life. Widely compatible with multiple devices, making it a reliable all-in-one power solution anytime, anywhere.